Hi guys, Darren on Demand here, coming at you live from Benidorm. I've been locked down now in our apartment for 8 days now, and I'm getting a little bushy, as you can see here, and I call this baby hair. And here at the back here, I can't get out to the hairdressers. To be quite honest, I don't normally go to the hairdressers. I actually normally cut my own hair. So what I'm going to do is cut my hair. Let's start the buzz. In regards to the top, I actually leave the top as it is because I just chip into that as and when I need to, but in regards to the time being, I actually don't need to. Get rid of some of these stragglers that are on the edge. So when you're working on cutting your own hair, all you actually need to do is just make sure that, obviously as you're going around and you're going from the back, just hold to where you don't want to go any further. Push up. Try looking in a bigger mirror than looking in the camera. But you'll hear anyway, just to make sure, if you've got all your hair, you'll hear the buzzing. So I thought, obviously I've done my hair. Let's give the beardy bush a bit of a trim as well. going to go slightly longer on the main part of the beard, but here I'll cut it quite short. So go over to my other trusty razor. Okay, so now we have the length that I want. We can start actually making it look nice. I use 3 different types of shavers. I use this brawn one, which has got the cutter on the top, and then also this one that fits to it, that enables me to get pretty much a close shave. I will be sharing more of these how-to videos, and they will be random how-to videos, but if you do like the videos that I put up on YouTube, then please give my channel a like, click the subscribe button and click that little notification bell so you can actually be informed of when I launch any new videos like this one today. So until the next time guys, see ya!